How are we doing today? Today, our dish is lasagna. Yes, I call that lasagna. I was looking for a name for a vegetarian lasagna, and you'll see why it's not a lasagna in the sense there's no pasta in there. No pasta, and you make a lasagna? Yes, bear with me. I'm using the tomato sauce that I did a few minutes ago. You might have seen the video, by the way. I put one layer like that of the tomato sauce. Et voilà. Next, we put layers of courgette, zucchini, squash, like this. One layer. And we alternate the layer like this. Like that. Oh, by the way, food, it's not a religion. It's a process of sharing with others the need to eat. So if somebody comes, this is the way to do this is the way to do that, this is the real stuff, this is the authentic stuff, well, it's maybe authentic for them, but maybe not for the neighbor or the guy next door. So take that with a grain of salt. Never consider food as a religious item or something religious. So second layer, yellow squash. So layers of one layer of zucchini, courgette, one layer of yellow squash, like that. Oh, a big guy here. That's like this big guy. Put it there. That's this guy like this, and then we go with salt and pepper. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Then you have cottage cheese. There's our new cheese on the market. New vegan cheese you can have if you're vegan. Nice cottage cheese. Make with coconut milk, by the way. Interesting. Here we are. The seasoning here is oregano. And you see I squeeze the oregano between my thumb and my index, and the flavor intensified by tenfold. It's so flavorful. Next veggie is the eggplant. Like that. Oops. Like this. Figure a way to have everything go in. Like that. I use a mandolin and make the mandolin just thick enough for like 1/8 of an inch. If you insist, this can be 3 millimeter. Maybe less. And I would say this is enough. Now more sauce, because it's a lasagna. A lasagna with a V for vegan or vegetarian. Oh, smells so good. Never produce a cooking show when you're starving. Not good. like that. So it's a plentiful. I'm using a melting cheese, and I will let cook the whole thing cook for no less than 45 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Put that in the oven, 325 degrees. "45 minutes. We'll see you soon." Let's see about the lasagna. 45 minutes in the oven. Let's have a look. Ta-dam! Lasagna. No, excuse me. Lasagna. Wow. So this is vegan. If you have the cheese, vegan cheese. No pasta, so it's gluten-free. Absolutely delicious. You can offer that to your friend, your family. This is give you 6 portion. It's a small batch, but you can double and have like 12 portion. Triple, you have 18, and so on and so forth. So please enjoy. You saw how simple it is. The sauce, the vegetables are sliced with the mandolin, or if you're skillful with the knife, you make a long strip of zucchini, yellow squash, eggplant, layer that, sauce, bake, and serve. Voila. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your comment. Tell your friend if you like it, and subscribe, and thumbs up will help me to carry on with producing these videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. Soon. Bye-bye.